Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down the essentials. Know why you need the way of Navae and what counts as success. Once done, align your map to true north and set your compass bearing toward the target coordinate. Make sure to power your phone and note any restricted zones. Permissions matter. While you prepare, sketch a quick route with 2-3 checkpoints so you can verify progress. This first practical setup saves wasted steps later, and it keeps you focused on visible, measurable milestones. You proceed now into the core of the task, moving deliberately and checking your position often. Once you reach the first checkpoint, compare compass bearing, GPS reading, and a nearby landmark. This redundancy prevents drift. If you encounter an obstacle, reroute around it and record the deviation and added distance so you can correct later. Make sure to slow down in confusing terrain and confirm with 2 sources before committing to a new heading. This prevents backtracking and keeps momentum. You complete the route by confirming arrival with all available evidence, coordinates, visible features, and your notes. Once done, take photos and log any path changes so subsequent attempts are easier. If things go wrong, pause immediately, don't wander. Retrace to the last verified checkpoint, re-establish your bearing, and use your compass plus phone GPS to get back on track. As a key troubleshooting tip, always carry an emergency contact and a power bank. That backup often turns a failure into a recoverable delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.